Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from
English Education Regular A-Class.
So, in this change, we are going to discuss about English phonetics and phonology.
And yeah, this is our final exam from our lecturer, Mr. Fauzi. Hello, Mr. Fauzi. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Phonetics and phonology are branches of linguistics. Linguistics is a discussion about the nature of language. Language is a tool which is used by people in order that they can communicate with others. Communication is an interaction between people in order that they can share information. There are two types of communication. The first is verbal communication. The second is non-verbal communication.
Next, we are gonna talking about phonetics. So, what is phonetics? Phonetics is a discussion about the production, the transfer, and the perception of language sounds. Language sounds is only produced by the speech organ of human being, and there are two main principles in phonetics. On the first, there is segmental sounds and suprasegmental features or prosody.
Onomatope is a phenomenon when labeling something is dealing with the sound, like bang, knock knock, or even animal sounds, like meow.
Manner of articulation and segmental sound. Manner of articulation is the way the obstruction happening in production of the vocal tract. Speech organs is the part of the body used in speech production. Speech or utterance is something is produced by speech organ and there is no pause in between.
Consonants are speech sounds, a segmental sound which is produced by flowing the air from the lung through the vocal tract, and in the vocal tract there is a certain obstruction in the vocal tract. Vowels are produced by flowing the air from the lung to the vocal tract, but there is no obstruction happening in the speech organ.
These tongues are sequence of two vowels. For the example, the words reality.
Suprasegmental, also called prosodic feature. In phonetics, a speech feature such as stress, tone, or pitch. Segmental sound versus suprasegmental feature. Segmental sound consists of vowels and consonants, while suprasegmental features are speech attributes that accompany consonant and vowels.
Phonology, phonetics versus phonology. Phonetics is only dealing with the discussion of the language sounds without paying attention to the meaningfulness of the sound. In phonology, we discuss about the meaningfulness of the sound. Phoneme, a language sound, are sounds which make words or utterance meaningful. Free variation is an alternative pronunciation of a word or a phoneme in a word that doesn't affect the word's meaning. Morphology is a branch of linguistics dealing with how to construct, how to structure, and build words.
When a feature distinguishes one phoneme from another, it is a distinctive feature or equivalently a phonemic feature.
Distinctive feature helps us to classify a sound.
Explained by the field that the grapheme-phoneme correspondence is a rule that governs the relationship between letters and the phonemes they present. Morphophonemic is a discussion sound alternation or sound changing or sound replacement in word formation process.
There are some type of sounds replacement or sound changes in morphophonemics such as assimilation, dissimilation, insertion, deletion, haplology, metathesis, and reduplication. Prosodiphonology is a branch from phonology. In suprasegmental feature, there consists of stress, length, pitch, intonation, and syllabic structure. Syllabic structure consists of nucleus, onset, and coda. Length is the physical duration of a sound or utterance. And tone, the pitch with which a word or syllable is spoken, can also make a difference in certain language.
I'm Anzilni Noorana.
I'm Meilani.
I'm Adila Zahra. That's it. That's all about phonetics and phonology from our group. Thank you for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.